So that there was the some shots of the corn harvest across the road. That machine just kind of eats the corn up and spits everything out but the little kernels and puts them in the bin there, and then they load them in the truck. And then I'm just going to take a quick look around the yard. I'm starting to get the leaf cleanup done. We've had like the most beautiful weather for fall the last week. It's been 70 degrees every day and sunny, just gorgeous weather to be outside and do this kind of work in. So you can see I've had the cyclone rake out, and I've got the whole yard cleaned up with it, and pretty much between raking and blowing and picking up sticks and leaves and everything else. I've been outside all week and really enjoying the weather, and a little bit more to clean up behind the pond there. I'm right down to the front of the pond now, and then I have to start weed whacking all around it there. You can see all those reeds that grew up this year and last year because I haven't done it. So, a little bit more and I'll be done for the year, starting to take down some firewood for next season. And looking across the road, you can see all the corn's gone now, and all the leaves that I've been picking up with the cyclone rake. I've got at least a 6 to 8 inch layer on the whole garden now. That one big pile there, kind of in the middle, is the compost pile. It just got so big this year, I just left it as a pile, and I'll flip it a couple times with the tractor probably, before spring. But I've got a little bit more around that other old bin there, that compost bin, to finish cleaning up, and a little bit more mowing before I switch over to the snowblower and get ready for the winter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.